Hi everyone, my name is Cooper Reed and I'm a solutions engineer at Statsig. And today I'm going to demo Statsig Sidecar. Statsig Sidecar is a tool for non-developers and marketers to build web experiments without writing a line of code. Sidecar is deployed as a Chrome extension, so you can really easily go to the Chrome web store and install it for free. Once you install it, you can open it up by clicking on the pin. And then what you do is you grab your script tag from the extension. This will give you a script tag that you install in the head of your website. And this is a one-time process. And then once that's done, you can then build and deploy experiments. I'm going to go ahead and create a new experiment here by clicking New Experiment. I'm going to name it January Heading Test. Great. Now I have a placeholder, and you can see this test is in draft, so it's not yet started. First thing to do is to determine where your experiment is going to run. And we do this by configuring URL filters. So commonly you want to run an experiment on only a certain page or a subset of pages. So what you would do is choose a specific option here. In this case, maybe we just wanted to run it on product detail pages. So we would say anything that's /PDP, that's where the test would activate. If we just wanted to run on the home page, we could do something simple like / and it will run on the homepage of statsig.com. Next thing we do here is we configure the visual treatments for our different test groups. By default, we give you a control and test, but you can add additional variations as well. So for our test group, I'm going to go ahead and add an action. When I click on this, you can see that we give you the ability to do a bunch of different change types. So the first is change content. This allows you to really easily choose any element on the page and replace its content. So right now it says join Statsig today. I'm going to replace this text with experiment more with Statsig. And I can hit play live, and this will in place show you what the experiment looks like. You can also do a number of other changes, including style changes, where I can pick a specific element and modify the visual styling of it, like the border, the background. I can also reorder elements on the page. And if I have some use case that calls for a more sophisticated type of test that maybe involves some business logic, I could use JavaScript injection. So we call that, we name that inject a script on the page. And here you can add your JavaScript, and that will run anytime the user gets assigned to the test group for the heading test. Once we've configured all of our changes, we can really easily publish the test. This will sync the test to Statsig. So this will create an experiment in the Statsig platform. And then we can go ahead and start the experiment. So when I click on start the experiment, it will then set the experiment in a running state and proceed allocating users into the different test groups and computing the test results. So as the test is running, you'll be able to see all the different metrics on your scorecard. And these metrics can be derived from a variety of different event sources. You can track events using our sidecar script by tracking custom events, or you can use our auto capture tool to automatically capture various behaviors across your website. There's also a number of different integrations you can use to get data into Statsig. This includes like analytics providers, data platforms, as well as your data warehouse. As your test is running and you want to conclude the test and make some decision on which group to ship, you can quickly come up here, make your decision, and then ship your test group to all of those users. Happy testing.